Hello, good morning, sir. We're the group Jumbows and we will be discussing our app, Egypt Share.
There's a new app that can ease the transportation sector, one that's both cleaner and more environmentally friendly. The Egypt Service app developed by students at FEU Tech aims to make getting around the city easier and greener. With this app, not only are we changing how people travel, but we're also contributing to a cleaner and sustainable environment.
For our problem, impacts on the daily lives of commuters in Metro Manila by causing delays, increased travel, stress, and making transportation less accessible and affordable.
To address the need for sustainable transportation, we developed Egypt Share, a mobile app that enhances commuting experience. For our unique value proposition, our app provides real-time jeepney information, convenient hailing, and capacity updates.
Our commuters' primary advantage is our user engagement feature. We believe we are the first in transport app to offer this functionality. Additionally, we have partnerships with MMDA and local transport groups to ensure the most accurate and reliable information, which distinguishes our app from the competition.
For our customer segment, Egypt Share aims to target people always commute like students, low-income workers, and senior citizens.
And this is our key metrics for reductions in emissions and fuel consumptions and to improve the passenger satisfaction and service reliability. And for the channels, we have mobile app stores, direct communication with operators, partnerships with businesses, and social media platforms.
So here's our cost structure. Since we are planning to develop an application, we plan to organize the cost structure into two parts, which are the fixed cost and the variable cost.
For our revenue streams, we will have ads, data monetization, and 25-cent fee per ride. Here's our sample computation, and we are expecting 730,000 in just the first year.
Here's our vision, and here's our mission.
And this is for the features of our EV for commuters and for the driver.
Here's our logo and our mascot, and our prototype.
So for our main problem here is the challenge of commuting and transportation here in Metro Manila. And our solution is we will be launching an application to improve the commuting experience. And the product and service is the application itself, wherein it provides easier and convenient commuting.
In the summer of market analysis, our service targets Metro Manila commuters offering a convenient and affordable option with the real-time tracking, designated stops, and discount.
For marketing and sales plan, we will promote the app through targeted social media campaigns, partnership with jeepney operators, community events, social media influencer marketing, while optimizing our online presence with SEO content marketing to ensure easy discoverability.
Next is the payment methods such as credit and debit cards and profitable by taking commission on each ride.
So we have three objectives for our app. First one is we should fix the waiting lists of our users. We should fix the issues by traffic by encouraging shared rides on the jeep. And lastly, we should be able to provide convenience to Filipino commuters. For our financial plan, we have two sources of funding, which are the venture capitalists and the incorporators.
Our business model last. And to summarize all of this, EgyptShare is an innovative app designed to transform commuting experience here in Metro Manila. So what are you waiting for? Make your daily commute easier and more predictable with EgyptShare. Download the app today to experience smarter, more efficient, and inclusive travel here in Metro Manila.